to my channel. My name is Lauren and thanks for clicking on this video. If you are new here, then you might not know that I recently got married and I actually did my own hair and my own makeup for our wedding day. So a lot of you guys on Instagram have asked me how I did my hair and how I did my makeup, and today is going to be how I did my hair. And I will be coming out with a video all about how I did my makeup, hopefully very soon. But I just wanted to show you guys the hair video now, and I did want to mention that in my video, or on my wedding day, I did have really pretty hairpins that I showed you guys in my wedding accessories video, which I'll have linked probably in the cards up here. But I had to return the hairpins because they're from a website called Happily Ever Borrowed, which makes it really easy for brides to just get something for a cheaper price, borrow it for your wedding day, and then send it back. So that's what I did, and I don't have the pins, but I'll insert a few video clips right here of my hair and a few photos if I can of the actual pins and how it looks like on my wedding day. But with all that said, let's go ahead and get right into it. And if you don't follow me on Instagram and you want to see more wedding content or wedding photos from our day, then you can follow me there, and let's go ahead and get into the hair tutorial. So the first thing I'm doing is separating the crown of my head, and I'm pinning it with 2 bobby pins. And instead of teasing, since I don't really like that look, I just went ahead and pulled out pieces kind of to make it a little bit more full and get a little bit more volume. And then I'm taking a small piece from the left side of my head, twisting it, and then taking 2 fingers and pulling out little sections just to make it more full. And then I'm doing the same exact thing to the opposite side, and I'm gonna do 2 twists on each side. So here's the next one. I'm just twisting it and then pulling it back. And you'll want to make sure that you have obviously a mirror for the front of your face too, so you can see what it's going to look like from the front and what pieces you want down if you want any framing your face. And I'm doing the same thing here, just twisting and pulling them out to make them more full and pretty. I think this hairstyle works great on girls that have highlights in their hair because it really accentuates like the twist. Also, if you are having a hard time hiding the bobby pins, like this one, you can see the bobby pin. I'm just going to take the next piece of hair that I twist back and try to cover that bobby pin so you can't see it. Okay guys, and that is it. That literally was so quick. I think I just now did it way faster than I did on my wedding day. You definitely want to make sure you have enough time if you're doing your own hair on your wedding day, because I ended up having to do my hair twice because the first time it just wasn't really what I wanted. So definitely make enough time for your hair and makeup, especially if you're doing it yourself. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I wanted to mention that I used a curling wand that was about 1 inch to like 1.5 inches. I'm pretty sure, and I just wrapped my hair around the barrel, which I'll show you guys in a clip. But it's really simple and really easy, and if your hair doesn't hold a curl very well for the whole day, I would definitely suggest wrapping your hair around the barrel and then pinning it up like pin curls and pinning all of your hair up so it cools and it sets and it stays a curl a little bit longer throughout your wedding day. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you tried this out, definitely tag me in your wedding photos or send me them or something on your wedding day, because I want to see. And I will leave the link to where I got my hairpins down below. They're actually called the Lauren hairpins because they named them after me because I wore them on my wedding day. And you can borrow them if you want to use them for your wedding day too. So that's really fun that we can be matching. But I'll talk to you guys in my next video and see you then. Bye.